2017 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, cruise control, universal garage door opener, center armrest, FWD, fog lamps, power windows, daytime running lamps. Come see the car for yourself.